it's in front of my body. So be careful, don't lead with this hand. You know, now this is a different movement than this. You know, this is following the body. Yes, so you see now, it doesn't finish before your body gets here. Okay, so let's look again at this 提手上式 here, okay? From the push. From push. No, push is in front. Push in front. Okay, you need to do the kick more to the side. You see, at the moment you turn the body and kick here.
It's more here.
So your hip is looking this way.
Okay.
And the kick comes this way.
I told it then.
So try again from previous movement. Okay, 白鹤亮翅. Watch out, watch out.
Did I leave it again?
Yeah, 搂膝袄步, same thing. So don't let this leg.
Too much, okay.
Yeah.
Because I thought about it, but I feel maybe, I feel it wrong maybe. I didn't forget, I just did it wrong, wrong because I thought it's good.
Yeah, but it takes time, right? So when you do this, when you're at the wide crane and then you start to rotate, just think about the body. The hand will basically follow, and then here, you see, you try to follow in front here. Yeah. Okay, here, this posture, right, it's given the name 手挥琵琶. Pipa is the pluck instrument, right, so it's held like this. So this is where you hold the instrument and then you go down. So present this embracing movement. It's through here. Yeah.
Is it like this or it's like this?
I have it like this.
Ah, okay.
Okay, 如风似壁，十字手。Okay, watch out here. When you did 小擒拿手, don't pull it too long. Right, this would not be a normal human being. Yeah. So a little bit. Consider the length of this arm that you will probably be controlling at the wrist and above the elbow a little bit. Okay, so stepping down from this kick. Right, so you're here. Okay, 十字手，小擒拿手 kick, then say fold in, then open. So make this distinction. There's step down, fold in, and then you touch, and the rest of the foot, open. Okay, 打虎式。Rotate this way. You see, I'm here, and again go in this way. Rotate, and then go out. Punch. Right. Do this rotation. Okay, so for me, I have here, and then when I punch, I step down.
Sorry? Yeah.
Like, you see, I will be coming here, and this way, and then when I go into the punch, then I step down. Move the step and the punch together. Here.
So can you show it again? Because I think it doesn't look like so. I don't know like where. Ah, you changed the position. Okay. Because I didn't move it. I just turned it. Yeah, I don't have a net to do.
Okay, 摟膝拗步。Don't rely on the elbow. Okay, 野马分鬃. So yes, continue. Okay, so let's go back and look at this horse mane movement. It's important that you have the distinction between yin-yang. So there's one hand that you do this, and then you pull both directions. Now, in our school, we emphasize this distinction between yin-yang. So there's one hand that is fixed to the environment. There's a fixed camera, and then this hand will be here when I move. And this second hand will be moving with my body. But I don't pull both ways.
But then,
now, of course, your arm is opening relative to the body when you turn, but it's not doing this.
like this is okay?
It's better. Just you only do it sometimes, but just keep aware.
And then there is this movement is there, right?
It's like when we do 云手. there's also the when you step up and then you, yeah, that's from here. So you know that when you are here, your orientation is 45 degrees relative to where you started.
The first one, like this one is 45 degrees in that corner, like this thing, and then when I'm turning, I'm going like. Now I'm 45 degrees there. No. I'm
referring to when you do the horseman, right?
The first one.
So 野马分鬃 is going 45 degrees to the back. If this is the line when you started the form, then this is going here.
Okay, I was thinking the line is like this. So, but also the first one, like, it's not completely what you were saying, but that this movement is also 45 degrees, right? Or kind of, if the
I have 45 degrees.
Yeah, if front is there, then this one is 45 degrees here, and then from here. So if I'm thinking like now I'm 45 degrees, kind of to right, left front corner, right here, and then I'm turning. Now I'm still 45 degrees to
this,
to the
yes.
other front corner.
Yeah.
Okay, and then I'm going here, and then I'm 45 degrees there, and then like this. Okay, if I'm understanding the direction. Okay.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, so here it's you kind of open too much.
Okay. And then from
So when you start here, there's a particular posture. This round shape you keep over the whole movement. So you know when I finish, I have turned this shoulder outside, but this shape remains.
So you don't twist the arm outside?
No, I have it stationary, and I mean the important thing is the elbow movement is not there, so this doesn't do that.